Hi, this is Josie in Josie's Fun Kitchen, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I make chicken piccata. Let me tell you that all the ingredients are going to be listed below, and you can also find them on my website at josiesfunkitchen.com. So let me just give you a little overview. I have 2 chicken breasts, which I'm going to butterfly, slice them in half, butterfly them, cut them, so I'm going to have 4 pieces, but I'm going to pound them so that they're nice and even and easy to cook. This is, again, a very quick meal. I'm going to use some flour that I dredged the food in. I'm going to put 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese, some salt, coarsely ground black pepper. That's going to be what I'm dredging everything in. And we're going to use 2 fresh lemons in this dish. I have capers, white wine, and lemon for making it look really pretty. So I'll be back. Let me go take care of this chicken and then we can get cooking. I put the 3 tablespoons of butter and 3 tablespoons of olive oil in here, and I'm going to put the 2 cloves of garlic in here to flavor the butter and the olive oil. So while that's going on, I'm going to season this chicken breast with some salt and pepper. All right, so let's dredge the first one. We're going to do these in batches of 2. It should be ready to go. You can hear it. This is going to fry up in here, let's say about 3 minutes on each side until it's golden, which is not yet. This garlic has done its job, so that goes in the trash. Okay, this is ready to be plated. Put that off to the side. And now what we're going to do is add another 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let's slice these onions. We need about 1/3 cup of onions. Okay, and I am, not onions, lemons. So 2 lemons is about 1/3 cup. Now, if you don't want to use white wine for your sauce, you don't have to. You can use chicken stock. And we're also going to garnish this with some nice, fresh parsley. You're almost finished, believe it or not. Take this out. Now it's time for more butter. I'm going to take this butter, melt it in here, the lemon juice, pour that in there, put the capers in there. You got to rinse your capers, remember that. And the 1/2 cup of white wine, dry white wine. I'm using Sauvignon Blanc. Let's mix this in. And also a little trick or whatever you want to call it. I'm going to put the lemon rinds in here because instead of grating the lemons, it just kind of gives a little extra zest. I'm taking the seeds out. Remember to do that. So now, let's make this. Remember the flour that we put onto the chicken is going to thicken up this sauce. Put this chicken back in. And we're gonna leave this chicken in here boiling up a little bit for about 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes is up. You put the chicken right here. Does that not look nice? How pretty. I'm gonna put another couple tablespoons of butter in here. Whoever said that the food I'm making is gonna be low calorie? Put some lemons around it and the parsley. And take a little piece here. Okay, you can see how nice and thin that chicken is. All right, I have a little bit of capers. Very, very good. I can taste that freshness of the lemon. It is tender, juicy, the whole works. I would highly recommend this if you want a quick, easy weekday meal. So, please subscribe. I don't think I said that in the beginning of the video, but I appreciate your support, and please come back again. See you next time in Josie's Fun Kitchen. Cheers.